In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome redirects. If you've ever tried to sign into a service or complete a checkout only to have nothing happen, there's a good chance Chrome blocked a pop-up or redirect that the site actually needs. Chrome does this to protect you from unwanted or malicious behavior, but sometimes legitimate sites rely on POP-UPS to open a login window or complete a secure handoff. I'll show you how to allow them safely for a site you trust. Start on your computer and open Chrome. This process works on desktop because you'll be using the address bar controls at the top. Next, go to the page where POP-UPS are being blocked. A quick clue is that you tried to click a button or a link, and it didn't open the expected window. When POP-UPS are blocked, Chrome shows a small indicator in the address bar that says Pop-up Blocked. It typically appears to the right of the URL. Click Pop-up Blocked in the address bar. This opens a small panel that lists what Chrome stopped on that page. You'll see the pop-up or redirect that was blocked, along with details about where it was heading. This is a good moment to confirm it's something you recognize and trust, like a sign-in provider or payment processor associated with the site you're using. Click the link for the pop-up you want to check. This lets you see exactly what was blocked so you can verify it's legitimate. If it looks correct, and you want the site to work smoothly without interruptions in the future, you can make a one-time change for this site. To always allow POP-UPS and redirects from that site, select the option that says Always Allow POP-UPS and Redirects from Site, then choose Done. This tells Chrome to trust that specific site going forward, so it won't block its POP-UPS or redirects the next time they're needed. Use this only for sites you recognize and intend to use, because allowing POP-UPS broadly can let through content you don't want. If you don't see the pop-up blocked icon, it may mean Chrome didn't block anything on that page, or the issue lies elsewhere on the site. But when the icon is present, these steps are the most direct way to fix a stuck login, verification flow, or payment window. And that's it. You've learned how to identify when Chrome blocks a necessary pop-up or redirect, preview what was blocked, and allow it safely for a trusted site so your workflow continues without interruptions.